Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for January 1 to 15, 2025. Ayan, Happy New Year sa inyo. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. And thank you sa lahat ng mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. It really helps our channel. So, let's begin, Virgo. Ano yung update sa inyo? Energies coming through. For Virgo, first half ng January. Okay, so this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessings, energy ng money, energy ng career, your health, and love life. Okay, so kuha na tayo ng mga oracle cards for you para dire-diretso na. So while I'm shuffling and choosing the cards for you, kumusta naman ang New Year ninyo? Ano yung mga ginawa nyo? Paano kayo nag-celebrate? Kasi sa ibang parts ng bansa ay umuulan. So dito sa amin umuulan. So medyo late na yung naglabasan yung mga tao. So ano yung mga goals nyo for this year? Ang mga expectations ninyo? Comment nyo lang. Okay, so ready na. Tatabi ko lang tong mga cards. Okay. So, let's begin, Virgo. Ang overall energy ninyo is the King of Cups. Okay, so this is showing compassion, your love for yourself. So, maaring you will be practicing self-love, self-care, taking care of yourself more, yung mga needs mo. Yan. It doesn't mean naman na selfish yon, no? Ang ibig sabihin lang nun is may pagpapahalaga ka sa sarili mo. Kasi paano mo mamahalin ng iba kung hindi mo kayang mahalin yung sarili mo, 'di ba? Or asikasuhin yung sarili mo, alagaan yung sarili mo. So, it's time for you to take care of yourself. Focus on your loved ones and be more expressive of how you feel. Ayan. So, maaring medyo emotional kayo ngayong first half ng January. And you will also focus rin sa iyong well-being. Okay? Sa kalusugan mo. And then, your possible challenge is the Knight of Pentacles. So, maaring pagdating sa mga plano mo for your business, career, or finances mo, medyo hindi ka pa ganun kasigurado kung saan mo dadalhin yung direction, saan direction ka tatahak. Maaring gusto mong mag-business pero hindi ka pa makapili talaga kung anong negosyo yung ipupurso mo or kung sa career, ano yung career path na susubukan mo kung gusto mo ng bagong experience. So it's like medyo mabagal, no, yung progress for you. Pero syempre, you have the control over it, no? Anything na kaya mong kontrolin, then meron kang magagawa para pabilisin 'yon. Okay? Nasa sayo na lang 'yon kung paano mo siya didiskartehan. So for your opportunity, you have the Six of Pentacles. This is about collaboration, helping each other, working things with other people. So, I think parang ito na yung sagot, no, dun sa kung paano mo didiskartehan. This is about asking for help. Kung kailangan mo ng tulong, hingi ka ng tulong, kontakin mo yung mga taong sa tingin mo ay makapagbigay ng support sa'yo or ng tulong sa'yo, no. May mga tao kasi na ayaw humihingi ng tulong sa iba. But there are times na we really need help from others kahit na maliit na tulong lang. 'Di ba? It's like assistance. Let's say for example, isa kang bagong negosyante. So, yung paghingi mo ng tulong sa mga kaibigan mo na halimbawa to check your products or to share your page or to trust or try your products, is another way of, asking for help, na hindi naman kailangan laging may certain monetary value. This can be help na parang favor, no? Pabor galing sa iba. And you also have opportunities to help others. Hindi lang ikaw yung tutulungan, pati ikaw kaya mo ring tumulong sa iba. So it's about giving and taking. So whatever you can give to others, and others can also give back to you. And this is more on trading kasi. So halimbawa, wala kang kulang sa pondo, kulang sa funds yung business na gusto mong subukan. And then why don't you try to trade services? 'Di ba? Para hindi na kailangan ng financial na pagkalakaran, kumbaga. Or maaring halimbawa, meron kang skill, ayusin mo yung mga TV nila. Tapos, so, yung sa pag-ayos mo ng TV nila, papahiramin ka nila ng mga upuan or gamit or tools, 'di ba? Yung something like that. So, you get the explanation. Yung kumbaga, ang tawag doon? Nakalimutan ka na naman. Yung, basta yung logic about giving and taking, okay? So, you have the opportunity for that. And then, your blessing is the Six of Swords. You are moving to a better direction, Virgo. Kailangan lang dito maging sigurado ka talaga. And as a blessing, definitely, this is a better option for you. This can be a new job, a new career na susubukan mo or pupuntahan mo. Dahil iiwan mo ang isang magulo at toxic na situation. So, for your money, you have the Queen of Wands. Medyo mas spend kayo ngayon sa pera. Or you may be spending money on travels, or you may be spending money sa mga projects mo. Ayan. So medyo may gastos for you. And then your career, you have the Four of Swords. Yes, I think yung iba sa inyo you really want to have a break from your career if yung career nyo ay medyo toxic na. Gusto mo ng magpahinga muna. I think makakatulong yung pagpapahinga na yan para makapag-isip-isip ka at magkaroon ka ng clarity. Oo, sa career path na gusto mong tahakin. So, sa yun namang health, you have the Eight of Wands. I think you will be more active ngayon, lalo na yung mga movements like walking, jogging, running, doing cardiovascular activities. Yan, cardio workout. And then, also, maaring meron kayong concern sa health ninyo na hindi nyo na palalagpasin. Kasi pwedeng iniiwasan yung harapin yan ng mga nakaraan. And ngayon, you really want na ayusin yung iyong kalusugan. So, for your love life, you have the Page of Cups. If you are single, possible na meron ditong namumuong romantic connection or like someone na may interest sa'yo. So, I don't know kung may interest ka rin sa kanya. But this can be a crush, no? Crush, it's either sa trabaho, may nagkaka-crush sa'yo, or there is a new inspiration for you na pag nakikita mo, na-inspire ka sa kanya. So, you also have study. So, this is learning new things, pag-i-improve ng iyong kaalaman. So, makakatulong rin yan sa'yo. You also have courage, lakas ng loob na sumubok ng mga bagong bagay or magdesisyon para sa bagong experience. O, 'di ba? May success. Ang ganda. So, whatever decisions na gagawin mo, pipiliin mo, this will lead to success. And kung saan ka man landas, ano man landas yung gusto mong tahakin. Too much concern with sexual matters, maaring yung iba na nagkakaroon ng interest sa inyo, kailangan i-check mo muna yung intention niya, baka mamaya may gusto lang na something sexual sa'yo. Guaranteed success, oh my God, Virgo, oh. There is definitely success this first half ng January. Ano man tong ipupurso mo, whether career, business, or relationship. O, diba? Happiness. There is happiness. Beware of great pride. Ayan, minsan masyadong mataas na ang tingin natin sa ating sarili. So, minsan ano 'yan nagiging deterrent, no, parang blockage 'yan in improving ourselves. Kasi parang tingin natin galing-galing na natin gano'n, 'di ba? Minsan nangyayari 'yan but you're here to study. Maaring alam mo na hindi mo kailangan parang ipagyabang kung ano yung mga alam mo. Because alam mo sa sarili mo na meron ka pang bagay na hindi alam na i-explore mo pa. Okay? There's a celebration, fun, enjoyment activities. You also have Midas touch. Wow, things are working out in your favor. Grabe. Dahil nga may success dito, may happiness, definitely kayo ay pinapanigan ng kapalaran ngayon. So, things are working out in your favor. So, there's abundance coming into you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.